36th District Court, State of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating, no sleeping, no talking, no gum chewing, no smoking, no laying down or lounging, no driving or riding in a vehicle. Please keep your devices on a level surface and do not move while you are on site. Also, keep your devices on mute until you are addressed by courthouse staff. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right. If Ms. Whiteside could unmute herself, can you activate your camera?
Good morning.
Good morning. You ready? All right. This is the matter of the People versus Deidre Whiteside. This is ticket number P11577111, one count of no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor. Tim Malafide, P72339, on behalf of Ms. Whiteside. Ms. Whiteside, please state your name for the record.
Deidre Marie Whiteside.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Your Honor, there have been recommendations put forth to dismiss these matters. We'd stipulate the probable cause.
So at this time, I do have in front of me the recommendation to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ms. Whiteside, make sure that you keep everything up to date, okay? So that we won't get any more tickets, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're all set. You can go ahead and sign off.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too, thank you. Mr. Wolf, Cal, you can unmute yourself for me, sir. Go ahead. See? I had to mute you when you came in. Talk again. Okay. You ready? This matter is not on the docket, but being called today. It is the ticket, the People versus Michael Wolfcow. This is ticket number P11588275. One count drove a registered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tim Malafide, on behalf of Mr. Wolfcale. Mr. Wolfcale, please state your name for the record.
Michael James Wolfcale.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, there have been recommendations put forth to dismiss these matters. We'd stipulate the probable cause.
At this time, the court is going to, as the recommendation, it is going to grant that motion to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Make sure you keep your vehicle up to date and make sure that you do everything that you're supposed to do, okay?
Of course.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you. You can sign off.
Okay, thank you. Take care.
Thank you. You too. Take care. Was it one more dismissal?
Yes, Your Honor. Jason Walker, that's a dismissal as well.
Yes, okay. Mr. Walker, you can unmute yourself for me, please.
Good morning.
Good morning. I don't have this file, but okay.
Jason Walker.
This is the matter of the People versus Jason Walker. This is ticket number P116239. One count improper. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tim Malafide, on behalf of Mr. Walker. Mr. Walker, please state your name for the record.
Hey, Jason Walker.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, there have been recommendations put forth to dismiss these matters. We'd stipulate the probable cause.
At this time, there is a recommendation to dismiss this matter, so the court is going to grant that and dismiss it without probable cause. Mr. Walker, make sure you keep everything up to date, okay?
I will. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing.
Hello, this is Derek Williams.
Just a moment, sir.
Okay.
Is he one of the people I called out of the breakout room, Mr. Malfoy?
No, Your Honor, he's a person I haven't spoke to.
Okay. All right, Mr. Williams, are you just now signing on for today?
You signed in earlier.
All right, we can do Mr., I know your name is switched around, but Mr. Wilder as it is on my docket.
Mr. Sandin, go ahead and unmute yourself. Yeah, just gotta figure out how to touch a screen there, sir. There it is, you got it.
My name is Walter Simmons.
Okay. This is the matter of the people versus, according to my ticket, Sandin Wilder, ticket number U5981131, one count of interference with the city employee. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning once again, Your Honor. Tim Malafite on behalf of, again, as it is listed, Sandin Wilder. Sir, real quick, just state your full name for the record.
My first name is Walter. Last name is Simmons.
Okay, Mr. Sandin, you need to stop moving.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that was not that was a mistake. Just pick a spot. Thank you so much, sir. So, Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to speak to Mr. Sandin today. We would like, obviously, to have the record correct because he is in the correct spot the way that it is spelled, but they just need to switch the name so that it is Wilder Sandin, and he can go to the correct judge there. But in the meantime, Your Honor, at this time, we would be continuing a plea of not guilty and asking for a, I don't know because we're switching, Judge, if we have to do it a pretrial or if we can set it for a bench. But we'd like to set it for a bench if possible.
Okay.
Christopher Block.
A plea of not guilty will be entered on your client's behalf. Mr. Sandin, let me call down to the courtroom to see how they want me to handle this particular matter. And so hold tight. We'll enter a plea of not guilty, and then I'll see how they want me to make this transfer, whether they want me to set it for a pre-trial or whether they want me to set it for a bench trial, and if so, on what day. Okay, so just hold tight. This concludes this hearing for this moment, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You want me to call down? Yeah.
All right. We are going to set this matter for a bench trial on February the 2nd. And Mr. Wilder, I forgot to, Mr. Sandin. Can you please raise your right hand? And I need you to unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, sir.
Go ahead, put your hand down, sir, and unmute yourself again. There you go.
All right. Now you raise your right hand, Mr. Sandin. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Sandin, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
I don't have none.
That would be me, sir.
That's
Okay,
Mr.
okay,
Malfoy.
okay, thank you.
He's the attorney. He talked to you today about this case, correct?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Do you understand what's going on today?
I can't hear what you said.
I know it's your phone. Do you understand what's going on today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, so you requested to have what's called a bench trial. That's a trial before a judge. It won't be before me. It'll be before Christopher Blanc, who's another judge, the Honorable Christopher Blanc. Is that how you want to proceed in this particular matter to have okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we're gonna set that for February the 2nd, 2022. As we know, 9 a.m., okay?
Okay, ma'am.
February 2nd, 2022 at 9 a.m. But don't sign into this number. You're gonna sign into Christopher Blanc's court, okay? But they'll send you notice in the mail.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
You're so welcome. February 2nd, 2022. Your bond is gonna be set at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing.
No, ma'am.
All right. All right, you're all set. You can sign off. February 2nd, 2022. They'll send you some notice, but it's gonna be a different courtroom and you're gonna have your bench trial that day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too, man.
And then Judge, next be Mr. Wilcox, who's on the phone.
All right, Mr. Wilcox, can you press *6 on your phone for me, please? *6.
Mr. Wilcox, got to press *6 for us, please.
Okay, well.
Sure.
You can go talk to somebody.
Oh, well,
Can you hear me?
there we
Hello?
go.
Hello, all right.
Okay.
Okay. 1 sec. Oh, yes, I'm good. Oh, no, you good, Lauren? You rushed that. All right. This is the matter of the people versus Robert Wilcox. This is ticket number P1056230. 1 count of no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning once again, Your Honor. Tim Malafite on behalf of Mr. Wilcox. Mr. Wilcox, please state your name for the record.
Robert Wilcox.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, at this time, we'd like to continue a plea if not guilty, ask for a pretrial date.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. I'm going to set this for a pretrial on February the 7th of 2022.
Excuse me, Your Honor, could I make one suggestion?
Sure, go ahead.
I do dialysis on a Tuesday, Thursday. So it'd have to be on a Monday, Wednesday, or Friday so I can appear in court.
Oh, absolutely, sir. I can definitely do that. Are you trying to provide us with some documentation, sir?
Correct. Yes, Judge.
Does he have the documentation?
No, Judge, but he's going to be getting it in a while. It's a replacement car thing, so this will buy him some time.
Okay, so let me see. Let me make sure that date is a date. It's a Monday. So will that work for you, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so February the 7th of 2022 is a Monday. I'm gonna have you come back at 8:35 a.m. If you can figure out how to make Zoom work, that would be helpful because we're gonna need to see those documents. Or you're gonna have to be able to send them via email, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Have Mr. Wilcox give me a call.
Okay, and we're gonna have you, Mr. Wilcox, can you call the court for us after we finish? I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. And can you take down the number to call the courtroom for me?
Okay. And what's the number?
313
313
965
965
22.
22
You say 2293.
93.
Okay. Give us a call. They're gonna give you some instructions so we make sure by the time you come back, we'll be all set, okay?
Will you want me to give you this call today or immediately?
Yes. When we finish the hearing, just go ahead and call. They're ready, anticipating your phone call, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so bond will see you back on February the 7th, 2022, 8:35. Bond is $0 personal, okay, Mr. Wilcox?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have a good day, okay, sir? You can go ahead and
Thank
hang.
you.
Okay,
All right. Goodbye.
bye-bye. All right, you want to keep talking to people? You need me to call some other people out now?
No, Judge Derek Williams is the only odd person out, but I can start telling you every person that we have ready for pleas.
Okay, let's do those.
Great. We'll start from the top then. That would be Ray Williams.
Ray Williams,
Next would be Devin Welch.
Stanley Corbin, Officer Harris.
then Devin Welch,
Yana Wyatt.
All right.
Devin signed
Question,
off,
question.
so hopefully he comes back.
Okay.
This is Wayne.
And then if you don't have Yana Wyatt, or Yana Wyatt would be the next person, then Yarrow Webb.
Okay.
Okay. This one I'm gonna put
All right, any more?
I believe that is it for the moment, Judge.
Devin Welch came back, so he may have got accidentally disconnected.
Sure.
Yeah, my battery died.
It's okay, we're gonna get you going, okay, Mr. Welch?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good to hear your voice, man.
Okay. Yeah.
So,
I'm also gonna bring out Quentin Williams right now because we need to give him another day.
Sure.
Okay. I'm bringing him to the room. What happened to this Williams? So if he signs back on, I'll handle his matter as soon as he signs back on. You ready? I'm gonna call you first, Mr. Welch, okay?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
This is the matter of the people versus Devin Welch. This is ticket number P11098885. One count drove while unlicensed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tim Malafide on behalf of Mr. Welch. Mr. Welch, please state your name for the record.
Devin Welch.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, there have been recommendations put forth. We'd like to take advantage of those recommendations.
So at this time, Mr. Welch, if you could raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney? That would have been Mr. Malfoy in private about your case and about your rights today?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, I am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, that you still want to move forward with this trial today?
Yes, I do.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of September the 4th of 2020. Were you at that time driving a 2011 Jeep vehicle in the area of Gratiot Avenue and East 7 Mile Road in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was.
And while you were driving that vehicle, were you unlicensed at the time?
Yes, I was.
Satisfied, Judge.
And the court is satisfied as well, and will accept and amend the plea to improper plates in this particular matter. Okay, Mr. Welch?
Okay.
Are you currently employed, sir?
Yes, I am.
All right, I'm gonna assess a fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
I could pay it Wednesday. Wednesday
Okay.
afternoon.
All right, so I'm gonna give you 30 days just in case, okay? So I'm gonna make it due no later than, December the 15th, just in case you don't have it that day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
All right, thank you. You all have a great day.
You too. Have a great day. Mr. Rain Williams, was he able to figure out how to activate his camera?
There he is.
All right.
Probably,
You ready?
you know,
This is the matter of People versus Ray Williams. This is ticket number P11-37748. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. One count drove while licensed not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tim Malafide on behalf of Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, please state your name for the record.
Ray Williams.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, there have been recommendations put forth. We'd like to take advantage of those recommendations.
All right. Mr. Williams, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
No, ma'am.
You didn't talk to Mr. Malfoy?
Oh, I talked to him. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, you.
He's an attorney, okay?
Not here today, Judge.
I know, it's a little difficult. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, do you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Williams. I want to take your attention back to the date of November the 28th of 2020. Were you driving at that time a 2001 Kia vehicle in the area of Gray Street and Joy Road in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was it unregistered or untitled at the time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Satisfied, Attorney Malfoy?
I am, Your Honor.
And is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to take the PS charge to drive unregistered or untitled vehicle and dismiss count 2. Mr. Williams, are you currently employed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm going to assess a fine in the amount of $200 today. How long will that take you to pay, Mr. Williams? 30 or 60 days?
Excuse me?
Yes, you answered your phone while I was talking to you.
No, I hung it up. Someone called.
Someone called, okay. Is it gonna take you 30 or 60 days to pay this fine, Mr. Williams?
The fine of what again?
$200.
I'll pay it today.
Okay, I'm gonna give you 30 days just in case. Don't wait until tomorrow to pay it, okay? So we can make sure it's in the computer system. I'm gonna give you though until December the 15th of 2021, just in case anything happens to have it paid, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Williams, you're all set, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Yana Wyatt?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay. Hold tight, Mr. White, Ms. White. We have some additional cases. Were you scheduled under the afternoon docket today too?
No. I only had 3 for the morning for right now. And it was 2 for no driver's license, and 1 for no insurance.
You have some cases also in warrant status, so we're pulling all of those as well. They don't go away. They just wait until you come to court and then we handle them all. Yeah. So hold tight, Ms. White, okay? Put yourself
Okay.
on mute. Work it out though. Don't worry. You don't want to keep running from them. Because when you keep running, they just stay
Pile
here
up.
forever.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
So just hold tight. We're gonna take care of you. Just put yourself back on mute. You may have to go back into the breakout room though, so we can make sure we take care of everything today and try and start clearing up your record, okay?
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, of course, no problem. All right. Mr. Webb, you can unmute yourself. Thank you for checking. Is it Yarrow?
Euro.
Okay, I just want to make sure. I don't want to damage it too bad. This is the matter of P versus Euro Web. This is ticket number P 1154598. One count drove while license suspended. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tim Malafide, on behalf of Mr. Webb. Mr. Webb, please state your name for the record.
Euro Web.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, there have been recommendations put forth. We'd like to take advantage of those recommendations.
All right. Mr. Webb, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Webb, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to take advantage of this plea today?
Yep. Yes.
Okay. I want to take your attention back to the date of January the 29th of 2021. Were you in the area of 7 Mile and Shield Streets in the city of Detroit, driving a 2008 Mercury vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you have improper plates because you didn't have any car insurance at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Judge.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the count to be dismissed?
There is, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates and dismiss count 1 on your client's behalf. Sir, are you currently employed?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna assess the fine in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30.
Okay, I'm gonna make it due no later than December the 15th of 2021, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further that does conclude this hearing. I do have to ask you what the origin of your name is though, because I see what your middle name is as well. What is the origin of your name? Do you know?
I can't even say, no. I can't even.
How do you pronounce your middle name? This is off the record. How do you pronounce your middle name?
Slovakia.
It is Slovakia. Okay. You have a very unique name. I like it though. That's nice. It's nice.
Thanks.
Don't make that fake. You don't like your name?
I love my name.
Okay, it's nice. It's dope. Appreciate it. All right. Have a good day, Mr. Webb. You're all set. So we're trying to get your stuff together, Ms. Wyatt. Can you slide to the left and go back into the breakout room? Are you able to do that for me? All right. We're getting some offers for her so we can take care of all her cases. Did you want to talk to the 2 people who have trials so we can figure out what we're doing?
Well, first things first, Judge, I know that you had mentioned previously, we can probably bring Quentin Williams out and take care of his because I know we're getting him a new date. So we can do that. Then I can get myself up to speed on some other folks here, including Mr. Williams.
Okay. No, that's listen, I only have her, Mr. Williams, and Mr. Wright. That's it. I don't know what else.
Yeah, no, well, did you gave, I don't recall us doing Quentin Williams, did we, Judge?
Oh, no, he signed off. I don't know what he did. I don't see him anymore. I know, so if he comes in, I have some questions.
Yeah, okay. Did we get an answer in terms of, I didn't get a citation for the vaccination and the ownership. If someone can give me, I thought someone was looking up that full citation. I mean, I can get it, but it's always faster if
Tim, I just walked back in the courtroom and I actually just found it. So let me read it to you. So the definition of owner is owner means when applied to the proprietorship of an animal, every person having a right of property in the animal, every person who keeps or harbors an animal or has an animal in the person's care or control, excuse me, and every person who knowingly permits an animal to remain at or about any premises occupied by the person.
Okay, all right, that answers that part then. All right, so I did not look, John, to see what our recommendation is at this point, because I mean, I know what he's going to tell me, which is, you know, hey, I didn't do it because I didn't think it was mine. Are we thinking we're going to plead him to what here? What recommendation, if any, do I have?
Just a singular license charge and a singular rabies vaccination? Oh, it's 2 and 2? Well, I would say two things. One, I know Investigator Hoskins mentioned that he if his, you know, the individual who he says is the owner, wanted to go, you know, obtain licensing and vaccination, that would be the, you know, the preferred route. But if not,
obviously that'd be ideal. That's what everybody wants.
If not,
here
I
would be
think
my
we could
worry.
do it. Go ahead, sorry.
No, I'm interrupting you. You go ahead.
Oh, well, I was just gonna say we could do a 2 for 2.
Okay. Let me talk to him and then we'll figure it out.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you.
I see you, Officer Hurton, as well. We're trying to figure out your matter too, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Trying to hold in there. I'm off of midnights.
Oh, you're off of midnight? Okay, hold tight. I'm so sorry.
All right. Could I get Officer Hoskins in a breakout room here real quick? And then John, I suppose in theory I'd want you to join, but I don't know if you can do that fast on your phone or something.
I see a whole lot of breakout rooms. Which one do you need me in?
I think we're going to get one. They're just going to make a new one.
Okay.
Oh, hold on, John. I think they're giving us. Yeah, cool. All right. Yep. Okay. Is John back?
I am.
Great. John, that sounds good. He will take that. Could we just do the dog license, please?
Sure.
Fantastic. That sounds perfect. Then we can judge as soon as that's written up. We can bring in.
Can we also try and talk to Mr. Williams too? That officer is on midnight. He's barely holding on.
Oh, heavens. Oh, I'm so sorry. Absolutely. Let me talk to Mr. Williams, but then he's going to have to get into a breakout room.
Okay, and that's what I was gonna say next. Mr. Williams, you have to join that breakout room we put you in earlier, okay? Can you rejoin that for us? Mr. Williams,
Hello?
hello? You have to rejoin that breakout room so the attorney can talk to you.
Okay. What do I do?
I'm gonna move you to a different one because I don't think you can. So it's gonna say join room 5. Join that room 5 for me.
Okay, here I go. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right.
Judge, my alpha's just showing the one insurance ticket. Was there anything else that I was missing?
It's just one insurance.
Okay. Good to know. I'll figure it out.
All right. Thank you for your patience too, Officer Hopkins.
Oh, it's not a problem. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. The other, I don't know if you're working midnight, but she's working midnight, so I'm just trying to get her at least so we can talk to everybody. Thank you.
I understand. Absolutely.
Your Honor,
Yes.
sorry for the wait. Mr. Williams has a little bit of trouble with getting some of this stuff to work, as I'm sure we've seen. I don't have the ticket in front of me. If someone could please tell me what the date was on that ticket.
Yes. The date on that ticket is March the 12th, 2021, and it was at.
Yep, that's all I needed, actually. Judge,
Okay.
I have seen good insurance for that date. I have seen insurance that went through April of that year. He was going to give me the good insurance now, but I wanted to check with you first. But I have seen good insurance.
Okay, cool. Let me bring her out. And then let me bring, are we ready also on the other matter too, David, right?
Yes, Judge. Yes.
Okay, and then I have to talk to, we sent you over the offer for Ms. Wyatt, and then I'll have to talk to her. Okay, but I'll do these two matters first.
Okay.
Oh, did you talk to David, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's the other tribe. I'm
That's
sorry.
the dog license. Yeah.
I got it.
No worries.
Oh, man. Either one of them. I want to close off one. All right. I hate to close. Okay.
Hello?
Hello, Mr.
Hold on,
Williams.
Mr. Williams.
Yes.
He came back, so
Just
we'll
wait.
handle it.
Hello?
Hello, can you hear us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, hold on. Ready? This is the matter of the people versus Derek Williams. This is ticket number 470068. One count of no insurance. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tim Malafide on behalf of Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, please state your name for the record.
Derek Randall Williams.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, I have seen insurance that was valid for the date and time in question. I would ask the court to dismiss at this time.
All right, at this time, being an officer of the court and having seen valid insurance, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, make sure that you keep all your documents on you at all times, okay?
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Make sure you keep it valid and up to date. There's nothing further that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Does someone inform that officer that she can go?
Yeah, she signed off, so I don't know if she was watching it on YouTube or what happened. I accidentally.
Okay. Okay.
Mr. Wright, you ready?
Yes.
Right, are you able to show your picture? You did, you had it up earlier.
There he is.
All right, you ready? These are the matters of the people versus David Wright. Here it looks like. B ticket 121735, one count of harboring an unlicensed dog. B ticket 121734, one count of failed to vaccinate a dog. B ticket 121733, one count of harboring an unlicensed dog. B ticket 121736, one count of failed to vaccinate a dog. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tim Malafide on behalf of Mr. Wright. Mr. Wright, please state your name for the record.
David Wright.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, at this time, we'd like to take advantage of the recommendations that have been put forth.
All right. If that's the case, I also have the officers here today on this matter. Can you state your name for the record, please, sir?
Investigator Raymond Hoskins.
Thank you. Mr. Wright, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Wright, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yeah.
Do you understand that by taking the guilty plea, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, do you still want to move forward today, sir?
Yes.
Right. I want to take your attention back to the date of February the 23rd of 2021. Were you in the area of 18614 Cherish Street? Cherish Street?
Mr. Wright?
Yes.
Street? And at that location, was there an unlicensed dog bear there?
Yes.
Satisfied, attorney?
I am, Judge, yes.
And is there stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor, we stipulate.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to B ticket 121735 and dismiss the remaining tickets. Are these civil infractions?
No, Judge.
They are misdemeanors?
Correct.
All right. Mr. Wright, I see that you are working. I'm going to assess a fine today. And the amount, are you getting the dog's license?
They're not, the dogs aren't, the whole thing, Judge, was the fact that he's saying that they were never, he lived there, but that's enough for ownership. He doesn't know where the dogs are. They're not his at this point. He doesn't take care of them, because if he could get them licensed, he would. But they're not, he doesn't know where they are anymore.
They took the dogs away?
No, there's a dispute as to who owned, they weren't, the law, the statute says that ownership is, if you live there, then those dogs are yours. And he did live there. They weren't his dogs, so to speak, the way that we would traditionally say his or her dogs. So he can't get the dog's license because he doesn't know where the dogs are. He doesn't live there anymore, and they're not his.
I think saying they were visiting at his house, but technically, if you live at the home,
yeah,
and the dog there, that constitutes.
It's sufficient.
Okay. Do you still live at that location, or you live someplace else now, Mr. Wright?
No, I still live at that location, but the dogs aren't there.
Okay, I get it.
Judge, we did discuss the standard fine, unless there's something more unique that you'd like to do.
No. All right, I'm gonna do the court costs. which is $190, sir. That's the lowest I can go. That takes care of all the court costs and fines and fees, for today. So I didn't do my standard $200. I'm just doing court costs and fees. Okay, that's $190. How long will that take you to pay? I can give you up to 90 days.
All right, yeah, I could pay it within like 30 days.
Okay, is that gonna be enough time?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, I'll make it due no later than March 15th, 2021, okay? But
Okay.
unless you want the community service in lieu of cost and fees.
No, I'll be able to pay.
You gonna pay? Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Okay, right. There's nothing further that concludes this hearing. I did the court cost minimum today, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Have a good day.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Hoskins.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I appreciate it. All right, did you get the new offer for Miss Wyatt?
Give me a moment, Judge. I will confirm. I imagine I did, but let me just look.
Okay.
Okay. Judge, it would be helpful if you could tell me, because often, and this I think is going to be the situation here, you guys have tickets that I don't, so I don't know what these tickets are. So someone's going to have to tell me what these tickets are.
Okay, so they are originally tickets for.
Because it looks like they're being reduced to improper plates, which great.
Improper plates, and one was a no insurance misdemeanor. And the other was a driver's license expired.
Very good. All right, I'll speak to Ms. Wyatt very briefly, Judge. Give me a moment.
All right, dismiss everything else.
Judge, you can bring her out. She's ready to go.
All righty. Yes. A couple of people in the breakout room. Both of them are in breakout room number 25. Oh. All the way at the bottom. There's Mr. Williams. Oh, my goodness. Okay. I don't know.
How you doing today?
I'm good. I must have moved you to a different room. I am so sorry. I've been trying to figure out what happened to you, Mr. Williams.
Yeah, they moved me. I went from room 4, they moved me to 25.
I was trying to get you. I was about to say I was trying to get you to come out, and I might have clicked it so many times, and then it accidentally moved to the room. Officer Horton, you're all set. You can log off, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I've been trying to find you too. I don't know what happened. I moved y'all by accident. Sorry.
All right.
Be safe. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Bye. All right. Ms. Wyatt, hold tight 1 second, okay? I'm gonna take care of Mr. Williams, and then I'm gonna do your matter.
Okay.
I appreciate your patience.
No problem.
Call your matter, and then I'm gonna tell you what we're going to do, okay?
Okay.
All right. These are the matters of the people versus Quentin Williams. This is case number 18-4379292. One count, no insurance. Case number 126162861. One count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Case number 184379291. One count drove while license suspended. Case number 134832741. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP763861. One count drove while license suspended. Case number SP391855. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Case number SP391855. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Case number SP391855. One count 18 of accident or property damage. Case number SP243961. One count no insurance misdemeanor. And case number SP243961. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. And case number SP41298021. One count no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
And good morning once again, Your Honor. Tim Malafide on behalf of Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, please state your name for the record.
Quentin Williams.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, we had an opportunity to speak about these cases off the record this morning. Based on the information that has been provided, Judge, I believe we're going to need a pretrial date in these. Mr. Williams does appear to have pled on, I'm not certain if which specific tickets they were, but it seems to be the ones that were in that group. The answers that he given me do indicate that that is the truth, though the Register of Actions do not reflect that. I know that the court had said that they are going to take some time to see if we can find more documentation that may be able to back up what is being said by Mr. Williams, or at the very least, if we can't find that, then we can let him know and proceed from there.
And Mr. Williams, can you sit still for 1 second, please?
Yes. I'm getting a piece of paper.
Okay. Mr. Williams, I vaguely remember you pleading because you were in that same house, if I recall correctly, when you took this plea. And so,
yes.
What I need you to do is I need you to, I'm going to ask you for your phone number in chat. Don't say it out loud. I'm going to get your phone number, and then I'm going to give you a pretrial date in about a week, and hopefully we can figure everything out. Because I do recall, I don't know what it was exactly, but I remember you being here, and I believe that you may have taken responsibility for quite a few tickets. So if you could put that number, did the chat come up on your phone that asked you for your phone number?
It haven't popped up.
Okay. Did it come up that time?
Yep. I'm about to see now.
Thank you so much.
Okay. I sent it.
I have it. Thank you so much. You know, all right, I'm thinking what I should give it a week or two. All right, Mr. Williams, we anticipating, I'm gonna have this matter rescheduled for next Monday. Hopefully it will just be that we have it all worked out. If we get all the information, then you won't have to log back on. Someone from the court is going to reach out to you so that we can try and figure out what's going on with your particular case. But to the best of my knowledge and my recollection, you did plead on something, or a good chunk of them. So I just want to find out what exactly happened, and I apologize that I do not have that information in front of me. Okay, Mr. Williams? I gave you a fine as well, didn't I?
Yeah, $800. I plead out for 4 tickets and the rest got thrown out.
Okay. All right, sir. I was going to say, that sounds about right. So,
yeah.
We're going to have it adjourned for next week, okay? And I got your number. They're gonna reach out to you and so that we can figure all of this out, Mr. Williams, okay? I do apologize.
Okay, no problem. Because I was kind of shocked. I was like, why are we doing all these tickets? I just went to court.
I know, and I have one of them in the system as being dismissed on that day. So I know you were here. I don't know what happened. So we're gonna figure it out, okay?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Williams. Thank you for your patience and thank you for being kind.
Okay. No, thank you.
All right, so figure this out. All right, you have a good day, okay?
All right, you too.
All right, bye-bye. I can stand here if you want. It's on 10:18. 10:18. Yep. Okay. All right. Ms. Wyatt, we're ready for you. Thank you for your patience today.
You're welcome.
All right. And did we add any? Yeah. Okay. All right. Recall. Is that person gone from the room right now, Ms. Wyatt? If I can hear him.
Yeah.
All right. It's okay. I know it's a little weird when you got Zoom court. So if you need to relocate the show, I understand. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You have a child.
Yes, he won.
I figured as much when he said, come here. Are you ready? Recalling the matters of the people versus Yana Wyatt. I'm going to recall all the matters. Some of these are in warrant status, but we're going to take care of all of it today. Ticket case number 174200468. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Case number H00132023. 1 count, no operator's license on person. Case number SP 9534551. 1 count, no insurance. Case number SP 9534553. 1 count, drove while license suspended. Case number 173338831. 1 count, driver's license expired. Case number SP 9534552. 1 count, driver's license expired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Thank you for recalling this matter, Your Honor. Tim Malphite, on behalf of Ms. Wyatt. Ms. Wyatt, once again, please state your name for the record.
Yana Wyatt.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Your Honor, there have been recommendations put forth. We would like to take advantage of those recommendations.
Is that right, Ms. Wyatt?
Yes.
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney, that's Mr. Malphite, in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, would you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I want to take your attention back to the date of December the 3rd of 2018. Were you at that time driving a 2005 Saturn vehicle in the area of Gratiot and Nodell Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have any car insurance on it?
No, ma'am.
And was your driver's
Satisfied as
license?
to that count.
Okay. And was your driver's license expired as well?
Yes.
Satisfied with that count too?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm satisfied with that as well.
And is there stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter pleas to the amended charges of improper plates on both tickets, 4551 and 4552. Count 2, and dismiss the remaining counts that were called on this record today. Ms. White, are you currently employed?
No, not right now.
Okay, how long have you been out of employment?
Maybe a year. My son one, yeah, a year.
Okay. Do you have any source of income?
Yeah.
Okay. Are these your own tickets that you have that you're aware of?
No, I got maybe a couple of more that I'm trying to get together.
Are they in Wayne County or in 36 District Court?
I don't believe so.
Okay. All right. I'm specifying today in the amount of $200 on one ticket. I'm gonna waive the other ticket costs and fees for you, okay?
I appreciate it so much. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm going to, you may have some reinstatement fees that you have to pay as well.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me.
Yes. What are you wondering, Ms. Wyatt?
If I could pay the $200 today.
Hold on a second, Ms. Wyatt. Let me figure something out.
Okay.
Miss Wyatt, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Do you know that you have civil infraction tickets as well?
There.
Yes.
No.
A lot of too. You know, are you trying to get your license back right now?
Yes.
Okay. You're gonna have to pay all of those. You have 10 cases that went into.
Okay, so can I just call and see how much they are?
Yes, I can almost see how much they are. You can call. The number, let me give you a number to call.
Okay, 1 second.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Okay. What's the number?
313
Mm-hmm.
965 2293.
Okay, thank you.
Call after 12. I'm going to waive your costs and fines on these tickets you pled to today because they are quite a bit.
Okay.
Just so you know.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. So get your.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right. Good luck with getting your license together. Make sure you call the court so you can find out how much you owe so you can pay that because you're not gonna be able to get the license until you pay all this stuff. Okay.
Right. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. That concludes
You
the
as
hearing.
well. Bye-bye.